Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sakina and I'm in grade 1. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a banana smoothie. First you peel the bananas. Peel the bananas. 2 bananas. Now that the bananas are peeled, let's cut them. Now these cut bananas, we're gonna put them in the blender. Now that the bananas are all put in, let's put the milk. Now let's put the ice. Now let's start to blend it. Now you gotta put the banana smoothie in. Look. Ramadan Kareem. Thank you for watching.